Desk pencil drawer organizer, large capacity pop-up student storage hidden desktop drawer tray, great for office school home desk, 2-pack. Cedilla size about 8 lira and 66's W 5.9H 1.38 inches. Cedilla Keep Desktop Clean. It can hold a variety of small sundries about office and life, such as pens, erasers, adapters and headphones, etc. Keep the supplies within easy reach, while keep your desktop neat and clean. Cedilla repeated pick and place made of high quality and durable ABS plastic, good wear resistance. The catapult has been rigorously tested, simple to operate and meets the requirements of daily repetitive open and closed. Cedilla easy to install comes with 3M tape and screws. You can choose the most comfortable position to fix it in a smooth plane, just pay attention to the distance after it pops up. Cedilla hidden storage. It hidden in the bottom of the desktop. Do not take up the desktop space, not even into your line of sight. It has a certain degree of privacy to protect your private storage items. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.